Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube where you see the search bar. You must be signed in. Next, decide whether you'll remove it via a browser extension, CSS override, or app settings. I'll show the browser path first. Open your browser's Developer Tools or Extensions panel because you'll inject a simple rule or install a minimal extension. Once done, you'll be ready to target the search element. Make sure to keep YouTube open for live testing. You now inspect the search bar element with the Element Selector tool and copy its CSS selector. Then create a tiny CSS rule such as Selector Display, None, Important, and save it. Apply that rule through a User Style Manager extension or a custom stylesheet feature in your browser. Applying via extension is safer and reversible. After you apply the rule, reload YouTube and verify the search bar is gone. If not, refine the selector and repeat. Finish by testing multiple YouTube pages and signing out and back in to make sure the change persists. Some dynamic scripts reintroduce the bar. If things look wrong, disable your extension to revert instantly, because that's the safest recovery. Troubleshoot by refining the CSS selector. If components move, clear browser cache and reload. If issues continue, remove the rule and try a different extension or an updated selector. This keeps your site usable while you iterate for stability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.